For many years, there have been questions about and confusion over genetically modified foods. What are they? How are they made? Are they really bad for you? And could genetically modified foods be part of our day-to-day lives in the future? Genetically modified food is created when genes are added or modified within the DNA of the food to give it a new and beneficial quality, such as being insect repellent. GMO food is formed through the process of implanting a separated gene from a donor organism. This organism could be a bacterium, animal, fungus, or other plant. As humans have learned more about the cell and its makeup, we have been able to figure out how to modify cells through extracting and implanting genes from certain organisms into others. An example of GMO food is GMO corn, otherwise known as Bt corn, which contains the gene from a soil bacterium, Bacillus thuringiensis, which produces a protein that works in killing Lepidoptera larvae. Lepidoptera larvae, otherwise known as the European corn borer, is a type of caterpillar larvae that feeds off corn and affects the growth and standard of farm corn. Bt delta endotoxin controls these pests through killing them with the bacteria multiplying in their blood, but it does not affect really any other harmless bugs or animals. Bt delta endotoxin is also harmless to and has no effect on humans. Once the Bt gene is implanted into the genetics of a corn cell, the DNA within the chromosomes change, and through mitosis the new superior corn is created. With this new type of corn come both advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantages of genetically modified corn include the fact that it is possible for the corn to sometimes have a negative effect on the consumer, with a 1999 study showing that the Bt toxin introduced into the corn caused high level of antibodies in mice, which suggests that the mice had an allergic reaction to the toxin, although it is not much of a problem for humans so far. Another disadvantage of GMO corn is more of an ethical and professional disadvantage, and that is the fact that the corn is practically made up of a pesticide, and this could be something that people are not very comfortable with. Many people also could be opposed to supporting a chemical and modified type of produce as opposed to a more natural way of farming. Along with disadvantages also come advantages. There are many advantages of GMO corn that can sometimes be overlooked by society. As it has been stated, a Lepidoptera larvae, or a European corn borer, causes major damage to natural non-modified corn when it is growing, and by introducing the Bt toxin it removes this issue without harming other bugs or animals as other broader pesticides can. Another advantage of GMO corn is that it has been proven to be disease resistant. Also, the US Food and Drug Administration and the Environmental Protection Agency have also approved GMO corn to be a majorly safe product for consumption. Overall, GMO corn is beneficial and very much an important and superior food of the future. Thank you for listening.
Created using Powtoon.